once again, and we'll get started with this Indian television quiz. There are 6 teams we have called for this closed door meet. Thank you, everyone, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everybody. We have received quite a lot of contribution thanks to all your generosity. We've seen almost our COVID-19 fund on Give India generating over 5,000 now, and almost the Wikipedia contributions also have been more than I would say around 3,000 odd. So roughly, totally, we have raised close to 8,000 at this point of time. We did not think we would, but thanks to all of you, we did. There are 36 questions in this set. There are 6 more than what we will run at 7:30. Some questions may get changed, but today for this particular quiz, there are 36 questions. Questions will alternate every 9 questions. So first 9 questions will move clockwise, then reverse every other 9 questions. So 15 points for a correct answer. Part points will be awarded at the quizmaster's discretion. There is modified infinite bounds. There is no pounds, so you don't need to chat or ping or send WhatsApp and do anything of that kind in this quiz. We will just move clockwise and anti-clockwise as per your teams, and that's how the quiz will happen. If there is anybody who has any doubt, just let us know. And if there is no doubt, we'll get started. So I believe that we can get started that way. And with that, we will move to the first set. So we just alternated our questions after every 9 questions. So this is set 1, which happens clockwise, 1 to 6 teams. This is first question coming up. Ready? Question 1 to team 1, Dhananjay and team. This is your question. So this is a tweet by Siddharth Basu where some names have been blanked out. 9 p.m. for that whole year in 1985 was quiz time when DD was the only national network. Seasons 2 and 3 happened in 1986 and 88. Many also still remember Dash for the incandescent smile, Dash for the urban poise, and Dash for the ethnic style. All you need to do is identify the names that are blanked out. Dhananjay, it's your direct.
Also, the only thing I know is that Sagarika Ghosh was the scorer for one of the episodes. So I would say one of the blanks is Sagarika Ghosh.
The first team to answer any of the blanks will get part points for that particular blank. But you have to get at least one right to be there.
Okay, and a couple of participants I know were Raghuram Rajan and Nandan Nilekani. So I would go with those 2. So Sagarika Ghosh, Nandan Nilekani and Raghuram Rajan.
Okay, we will move to team 2. Team 2 is
Subrata and Abhishek.
Yeah, Subrata and Abhishek.
Kavita Agarwal, Radha Seth, these 2 names. And no idea about that third one.
Okay, team 3. Team 3 is
Amaya.
Yeah, so it's Urban Poise is Urban Radha Seth, Vandana Mohan for the last one, Kavita Agarwal.
That's absolutely correct. So full 15 to team 3 and 10 points will go to Subrata and Abhishek. They got 2 out of the 3 right, but 15 to Amaya and Vibhendu. They got all the 3 right. This is Kavita Agarwal, Incandescent Smile, Radha Seth, Urban Poise, and Vandana Mohan, the ethnic style. So these were the 3 co-hosts. The co-hosts had nothing much to do, but probably introduced the participants at that point in time.
Scorers. They were scorers.
And sometimes they also read out the scores. So that's the first question. Indian television quiz. The first, I would say, a quiz of I would say note that we all started watching, or probably some of us got hooked into quizzing with this particular quiz. So that was question number 1. The next question goes to team number 4. Team number 4, be ready with at your end. That's team number 4 is Viraj, right?
Viraj and
Viraj,
Yes,
your question coming up. So in 1973, during Ustad Ali Ahmad Hussein's Shehnai recital, it was first brought to life. Indira Gandhi wanted it to be based on another piece of work. The task of composing the tune was entrusted to a well-known musician, but this musician soon realized that the tune suggested by Mrs. Gandhi was of a longer duration. Working with Ustad Ali Ahmad Hussain Khan, this musician of note came up with a variation of the original tune, and the rest, as they say, is history. So who is this well-known musician and what was created? So 2 parts. What was created? Who is this well-known musician we are talking about?
Just a second. Yeah. So my guess is this is the DD tune which was created, and the musician is probably taking a pick from Ravi Shankar.
You're absolutely right. This is the Doordarshan signature tune, and the musician was Pandit Ravi Shankar. You get 15 points. So we will quickly move on. We'll not listen to the signature tune. We'll move on to the next question, which is question number 3, going to team number 5. And team number 5 is, so which team number 5 is?
team number 5 is Sumukh and Yogita.
Yeah, Sumukh and Yogita, your direct question coming up. So when pop star Ajit Singh first composed it, the show's producer S.S. Oberoi blew a bugle, "Let's get Dash to sing it." The singer had not stepped out of the movie circuit and charged almost 18,000. Oberoi didn't blink either, as he could see the song playing on television every week. Over 52 episodes, it would amortize to less than 400 a week. Who was this singer and which show are we talking about? It is probably one of the easiest set that we have, but question direct to Sumukh and Yogita.
I'll guess with basically Kishore Kumar sang for TV first time, I think, Ye Jo Hai Zindagi.
And that is your 15 points. This is Kishore Kumar's Ye Jo Hai Zindagi. That is Ajit Singh. So that is question number 3, which has been answered correctly by team number 5. Team number 6, I think
Anand and
Kunal. Anand and Kunal, this is your direct. So this is a little rounded question. Just read it carefully. This lady's name is Jayashree Gadkar. She played a character on Indian television, which is also the lesser known but actual name of another popular actress. This popular actress, played a character in a daily soap whose name has been one of the most unconventional ones on Indian television. Joseph Stalin's youngest daughter also had the same name. You have to identify the actress, the name of the character, and the daily soap that we are talking about. So 3 things: the actress, full name of the actress, the name of the character she played, and the daily soap in which she played that character. Anand and Kunal, this is your direct.
Yeah, we are going to say the actress is Kittu Gidwani. The name of the character is Svetlana, and the show is Swabhiman.
That is absolutely right. So Kittu Gidwani or Kaushalya Gidwani, she played Svetlana in the soap Swabhiman. So that is what it is. And Jayashree Gatkar, of course, played Kaushalya in Ramanand Sagar's Ramayan. So I think everybody doing great. Team 1 will also score. We move on to team 1 now with question number 5. Dhananjay, this is your direct. So what you are going to watch is a video from the series Nukkad. It's a short video clip. I hope you're able to see the video. And you have to just guess. They're looking out for a person called Gopal. You just have to name who played the role of Gopal or who is Gopal in this clip.
क्या है? अपने यहाँ गोपाल किसका नाम है? गोपाल, वो रहा.
So if you want to hear that again, we'll just play this short clip.
दादा, क्या है? अपने यहाँ गोपाल किसका नाम है? गोपाल, वो रहा.
So Dhananjay, who was Gopal or who is Gopal?
Sorry, we have no idea. We'll say Madhur Bhandarkar.
Madhur Bhandarkar is Gopal, okay? No, that is not correct. Subrato and Abhishek?
Khopri.
Yes, you get your 15. That is indeed Khopri. So, played by Samir
दादा,
Kakkar. This is what it is.
दादा, क्या है? अपने यहाँ गोपाल किसका नाम है? गोपाल, वो रहा. वो अपना खोपड़ी है ना, उसी का नाम गोपाल है. क्या? कमाल है. जोड़े का नाम गोपाल.
So that is 15 for Abhishek and Subrato. The next direct is to Amaya and Vibhendu. Here is your direct question number 6. So in the late 90s, 80s and 90s, quite a few folks from the film fraternity jumped onto the TV bandwagon. Lata Mangeshkar partnered with a very well-known producer to form a TV company called Metavision. They made their foray into television with Meri Awaaz Suno. Just have to name this well-known producer-director, a very easy one to you.
Yash Chopra.
That is correct. So Yash Chopra is what we were looking for. So this is Yash Chopra and Metavision, which produced Meri Awaaz Suno. So next question to Viraj. Your turn to pick up. Somebody who's not on mute, I request you to be on mute. Yeah.
I'm ready.
So question 7. This is Nim Sood. The lady whom you see is her name is Nim Sood. She got into television when her sister needed a full-time designer for her production house. During the conceptualization of one of the produced popular shows, the show was titled Amma. It was later retitled on her suggestion. Due to the superstition with a particular alphabet, another word was added to the title. So who is Nim Sood's famous sister and which show are we talking about? So you just have to tell who is Nim Sood's sister and which show are we talking about. Nim Sood is a full-time designer.
I'm guessing this is probably, the sister is probably Shobha Kapoor, and the show is probably Kusum because it had a double K.
Okay, we will move on to Sumukh and Yogita.
Yeah, we'll go with Shobha Kapoor only. So I'll guess some other K serial. Kavyanjali 2 Ks.
Kavyanjali and 2 Ks. Okay, we go to Anand and Kunal.
Yeah, just 1 second. We are going to say Shobha Kapoor and Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki.
Okay, going to Dhananjay.
We'll say Shobha Kapoor and Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
And
They added Kyunki. Yeah.
that is your first 15 points, Dhananjay. first 15 points to you. And the first team to say Shobha Kapoor, that is Viraj, I think. Viraj, you get 7.5 for guessing Shobha Kapoor, though we should have given you more, but I'm giving you 7.5. So that is Shobha Kapoor of Balaji Telefilms, and the serial being Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. So Abhishek and Subroto, this is your direct, which is coming up. Luck of the draw, you have to just name this Hindi adaptation of the serial. What is the name of the Hindi adaptation of the Tamil soap opera Tirumati Selvam? It was one of the highest TRP rated shows in Tamil, which aired on Sun TV. How do followers of the Hindi serials remember its adaptation?
Pavitra Rishta.
And that is 15 to you. Pavitra Rishta is the right answer. So here is a final question of this set, and that goes to Amaya and Vibhendu. Amaya and Vibhendu, here it is. So while the popular show Surabhi was in Hindi, the scripts were all written in English. Firoz Ashraf, a teacher who also ran an NGO, fought for the education of Muslim women in the slums of Mumbai and was a part of this team who worked on these translations. He would do adaptations of the English script and not just the translation. He wanted to get the perfect flavor of the language. But that was not why Firoz Ashraf was hired by the production team. What was he originally brought on board for in the show Surabhi? So that is your question, Amaya and Vibhendu. What did Firoz Ashraf first come to do in the show Surabhi? He then became this translator and adapter and whatever. But what was he originally brought on board for?
So he was something to do with they had this contest. They would ask a question every week. So he was probably brought into like either research for the questions or help with the draw of lots for the postcard.
And if we were to pin you for an answer, what would you answer?
We'll say for the draw of lots. Help with the logistics with the postcards.
And that is 15 to you, Vibhendu. And Souvik, you were saying that this question would have been difficult, but I told you nothing is difficult in this set of people that we have. That is absolutely right. Ashraf was initially hired to count the postcards, but ended up doing script translations. So that's Firoz Ashraf, and that is what he had come to do first, to count the postcards. So 15 in this set for Vibhendu and Abhaya. I think that completes the first set, and what I have is right now I have Dhananjay and team on 15. Abhishek and Subroto are on 40. Amaya and Vibhendu are on 45. Viraj is on 22.5. Sumukh is on 15, and Anand Shivshankar and Kunal are on 15 as well. So that's the scoring at the end of round one. We finished round one in around 20 minutes, and we will move on to round two. We'll go from Anand, and then we'll go to Sumukh, Viraj, and end up with Dhananjay in this particular round. So Souvik, if you're there, please go ahead.
Okay, yeah.
So will it start with me or will it start with team 6 now?
It will start with team 6.
Okay.
Okay, team 6, first question of this round for you. So the protagonist of the serial went on to win a season of the Big Boss as well as the antagonist. Not often that people from the same serial win this. The fam became more popular than the heroine, a famous background music, and there is also a remake of the program, but its popularity is not that of the former. The words in italics or underline may help.
So Anand and Kunal, it's your direct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want the characters, not the actresses.
Okay. Just 1 second.
We will
Yes.
request for the answer right
So
now.
our guest is Sunita Punita.
Kunal, can you just repeat that?
Yeah, Sunita and Punita apparently.
Okay, passing to team 5.
So this is basically Kasauti Zindagi Ki. So one is Kamolika, Urvashi Dholakia, another is Prerna, Shweta Hari, I think.
And full 15 points. Team 5 for getting both parts right.
So next one is to Viraj.
Yeah. The answer slide. So you can see the famous niqab background
So here is the next one for Viraj.
for Virat, team 4. So pretty simple. 2 parts. The character and the catchphrase. You would have seen him in films. You would have seen him in the NDTV, the Ramayan. But the one that made him a household name was in mid-90s.
You just have to name the character. No points if you get the name of the person also, but you need to name the character and his catchphrase. The catchphrase and the character.
Yes, Viraj, team 4.
Yeah, I think like is this Kilvish, like Andhera Kayam Rahe?
Andhera Kayam Rahe is 3 words. It's not 1 word. We pass you.
Yeah, it goes to Amaya and Vibhendu.
Yeah, team 3 next.
Chandrakanta, I think the catchphrase was yuck.
Vibhendu, we missed your answer. Can you just repeat that?
There's a crude Singh's character. He's used to say yuck.
Okay. I think we can give points for that. Another 15 points to team 3.
He missed an O.
Yeah, he missed a U, so it's
That
Yakku.
is yuck. That's okay. That part, I think we can.
Yeah.
The famous Crude Singh and Yakku. So 15 points to team 3. And next one to team 2, Subrata and Abhishek.
Yeah.
This is from an article on LiveMint, and some reasons cited for this. So distinct nature of the television viewing and all that. Repetitive phenomena, a subject of a number of memes.
It's a repetitive phenomenon on Indian television. It is because of the scientific reason, or the reason which researchers have found is this, that distinct nature of the television.
This is what the channel officially says.
Okay.
As per the LiveMint article. And it has been a subject of lot of memes.
Abhishek and Shubrata.
Okay. So we are guessing that this is the the same scene being repeated, where it shows the different characters in different angles, right? So, like, for example, when something drops off, right, and then it focuses on everybody, like kya, something like that.
Nice. That's a nice guess.
Nice
but
guess.
Not
Nice guess.
Very nice guess. Yeah.
Dhananjay.
Dhananjay.
We'll say this is why repetitively we get the same old household drama kind of TV serials, the Saas Bahu type soaps.
They indeed form the staple of the Indian GECs, but not quite right here. Team 6.
Yeah, one sec. We're going to say it's the thing where like the same show is on multiple slots throughout the day.
Okay, as in repeat telecasts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no, not quite. Team 5.
Yeah,
Sumukh and Nikita.
just based on the repetitive phenomenon itself, I think it will be why Sony TV keeps showing us Surya Vansham.
I think we can go for that. It's you were ideally looking for set max, but yeah, Sony TV we will give that. Yeah, same.
15 to
Good
Sumukh.
answer.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Let's see the answer slide, please. Yeah, so that's why Surya Vansham is shown so many times on the set max. And this was, trust me, a Live Mint article from which I picked this up. 15 points to Team 5, and Viraj team gets the next question.
A lot of visuals. Yeah, so we go ahead.
Just connect. You see around some 4 or 5 visuals, different names. Again, the underlined words.
Viraj and Vipul.
Yeah.
I don't think Vipul has joined, and I have absolutely no idea about the connect, but I am guessing probably on the words. There's something probably called as fully faltu, or which actually means totally waste or useless.
And anything more you can add to that?
I don't remember what was fully faltu right now. Oh, okay. So fully faltu, no. I don't remember actually. I remember that catchphrase, but I don't remember it. Maybe it was more.
And probably where you saw it.
I think we can give points here. Let's. We have got. I was looking for there's the channel, but okay, yeah, points. So this is the MTV fully faltu.
Oh, okay.
Making.
I've never seen this show. I just knew the catchphrase of that.
Wait, what was the Bollywood funda? Sorry.
Which one?
The Douglas Jardine, the Bodyline funda. They made on this also.
They made a spoof on Lagan and Bodyline together.
Okay. Yeah. Lagan was very popular. Yeah.
Yeah,
Next is for Team 3, Amya and Vibhendu. Again, 2 parts. Name the show and the awards. It's not often that a show comes out with its own awards. So big hints in the italicized words.
So we'll say it's CID.
I'm sorry, I will just didn't catch it.
CID.
Okay, and the awards?
Amaya.
Yeah. Okay, so we are saying that कुछ तो गड़बड़ है award.
Okay, passing you. Team 2, Subrata and Abhishek.
Oh, हमारा है क्या?
Yes.
हाँ, CID दया कुछ तो गड़बड़ है and
Okay. Seems kuch to garbar hai with the connection. Abhishek, can you complete?
दया कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. That's all.
So what was the name of the awards? Kuch to gadbad hai.
Okay, team 2. Oh, sorry, that's team 2, Dhananjay.
Okay, this is CID. My partner says it's called the Ghanta Awards.
Not the Ghanta Awards. Pass on that. Team 6.
So we're going to say CIDs and Tod Do Darwaza Awards.
I think the guesses are better than the answer. Team 5.
So I mean, I don't know the award for. I mean, I don't know the award. I'll not say CID. I'll probably guess Karamchand, and then there is a hanging carrot. So Gajar award, hanging carrot, dangling carrot.
Okay. Nice. Team 4. Viraj.
Crime awards. Everything is done. I'm not even able to think of pictures now.
So will
Okay,
you-
I think we give part points for CID and let's see the answer.
there is some audience. If some audience is still remaining, so they can guess. Anybody in the audience wants to guess? I think nobody.
I think let's
Let's
move
go
on
on
the
to the answer slide.
okay.
Fancy.
So half point for getting CID right, and there is a Victor Awards which they held for three seasons. So half 7.5 to Team 3 and Team 2, Subrat and Abhishek. Your question coming up.
So there are 3 parts. You have to.
For the character, I want the full name. So 3 parts to the question: the character, the actor, and the show. So again, the underlined words and italicized words may help.
Subhata, if you have any idea, I don't have idea on this.
Okay, Team 2 passes. Team 1.
Will pass.
अरे पास कैसे कर दिया? मैं था.
I'm sorry.
तो वही पूछ रहा था मैं तुमसे कि I don't
अरे,
have idea. If you know that.
अरे अभी लाइट आया.
Team 6.
हे भगवान.
Yeah, just a second. We are going to say Asrani.
Okay. Character.
Just 1 second. Yeah, no idea. Pass the
Okay.
rest.
Sumukh.
I'll go with Paintal. So I'll go with Paintal and Shikhandi or something. Yeah. Not Goofy Paintal, his brother. Paintal.
Oh, okay, as in the one who played Shakuni, right?
Shikhandi.
Oh, Shikhandi. Okay.
So Paintal played
Okay.
Shikhandi in Mahabharata. Okay.
Okay, just in time, Vipul has joined. So, Team Viraj and Vipul, you can attempt this together.
Yeah, Vipul, take a stab at this. I'll WhatsApp you.
So Viraj and Vipul, we're waiting for you.
Yeah. Team 4
Okay,
winning.
Vipul, do you want to take a guess or should I take one? Okay, so I don't know, but was there an actor by the name of Dushyant Painter?
Okay. Actor is Dushyant Painter. And
Yeah, and Shakuni. Bas, yeah, मतलब Mahabharat, yeah.
okay. We pass to Vibhendu and Ameya.
Vibhendu, you want to take a guess on this?
No, we'll just say that Mr. Mrs. C is probably Shriman Shit.
But that is not a question.
Sorry?
No, yeah. For that, asking very specific name.
Samaya and Vibhendu, can we pass you?
Yeah.
Okay, Subrata. Subrata, you said you knew this, but for no points now. You want to try?
No, I only knew that Chintu was the kid in Shriman Shrimati, right? And Gansu was in the beggar in Nukkad. But
no. Okay. Viraj, you guessed the right name, but it was the name of the character and the actor. Let's see the answer.
So this one, there's no points for anybody, right?
Yeah, no points for anyone. I'm surprised that this came back.
Devin Bojani.
Okay.
As he used to say, I will explain. And he was there. Sikandar.
Dushyant, yes.
Dushyant Painter, and the more famous and common surname in this. Okay, no points to anyone. It was originally for Team 2. So we come back to Team 2.
There is a face which is blanked, and everything is related to that blank face.
The most face.
Yeah.
And 3 parts. The space has been blanked out.
Okay, so the heroine is Shikha Swaroop, right? Annu Kapoor, I think, is the male host, right? And the father just died. So Shikha Swaroop's father just died. What is his name? Shikha Swaroop's father. Shikha Swaroop's father was very he just died. Hey, Abhishek, कहाँ गए? Hello, Abhishek.
Yep.
हाँ, शिखा स्वरूप के फादर का नाम क्या था? वो अभी मर गया ना, सिंगर था वो। अरे यार, शिखा स्वरूप का फादर का नाम क्या था?
नहीं याद आ रहा। Mr. Swaroop is good name.
Lady is Shikha Swaroop. Then Y is Annu Kapoor. What is X?
X क्या है?
ये सारेगामा है क्या?
हाँ,
TVS सारेगामा आता था ना?
Okay, X is Saregama. Okay. Team 1.
Okay. The lady is Durga Jasraj. Famous father is Pandit Jasraj. She used to host Antakshari along with Annu Kapoor.
And full 15 points to Dhananjay and have to be stingy. Only 2.5 points for getting Annu Kapoor for team.
अरे दुर्गा जसराज शिखा स्वरूप में कंफ्यूज हो गया। हाँ, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं।
One. Yeah, let's go to the answers right, and we will be able to see. And
the next one goes to Team 6.
Mar gaya part is correct. So plenty of leading from the sidelines. Next question to Kunal and Anand.
You have a video.
Video ad. This is an ad for what?
बेटा राजधानी का टिकट का क्या हुआ? काशी जाना है।
किटी पार्टी में सारे सहेलियां अपने पति की कार में आती है। आग लगे तुम्हारे सपुत्र को। अब जाओगी। बेटा कौन ख्याल रखेगा तुम्हारी सेहत का? हीरे का हार का क्या हुआ?
काशी जाना है।
आग लगे तुम्हारे सपुत्र को। अब जाओगी।
बेटा राजधानी का टिकट का क्या हुआ?
अपने पति की कार में आती
बेटा राजधानी का टिकट का क्या हुआ? काशी जाना है।
Yeah, team number 6.
Yeah, Kunal and Anand, this is an ad for what? This is a TV quiz. So this is an ad for what?
Yeah, one sec.
So do we pass you, Anand and Kunal?
Yeah, just 1 second.
Yeah, team 6, we need an answer now.
Just 1 second. मी नाथुराम गोडसे बोलतोय.
Ad for Nathuram Godse. Okay. Team 5, Sumukh and Yogi.
Yeah. Sorry, I went. So I'm gonna guess Z ad for cinema.
This is an ad for Zee Cinema. Let's see the answer.
जी सिनेमा क्यों नहीं देखा? बोले तो इससे सॉलिड सिनेमा और कहा।
So good 15 points there from Team 5, getting the Zee Cinema ad correctly. Team 4, Viraj and Vipul. Immense diversity. With the show, we were looking to discover the adhesive factor. Then 35 historians who were specialized in their field were consulted. First episode was on 14th November. I have not mentioned the year. So plenty of clues to work around.
Something like
So 2 parts.
Which show, producer and director?
This is for Viraj and Vipul. Team 4.
Okay, so out of that semi 3-parter, I know 2 parts. So the show is probably Bharat Ek Khoj, and
just interrupting, it's the producer and director are the same. So it's not a
Okay,
3-part.
then Shyam Benegal.
Okay. So both parts correct. And 15 points for getting Bharat Ek Khoj and Shyam Benegal correct. I think with this we come to the end of this round. We'll just get the scores in a moment.
Yeah, I've been
So
keeping
team-
scores. Yeah.
Team 1 is at 30 points. Team 2 is at 42.5. Team 3 is at 67.5. Then we have Team 4 at 52.5. We have Team 5 at 60 and Team 6 at 15.
I think everybody fine with their scores?
Yeah.
Anybody having a different score for them or for the others?
Yeah, can we just get a confirmation, guys, regarding the scores? Team 1?
Yeah.
Okay, Team 2, Subrata and Abhishek?
Yes.
Amya and Dibendu?
How much is team 2 on? 42.5.
Yeah.
So 10 points separating 10 points separating Viraj and Subrata and Abhishek, 42.5, 52.5. And 7.5 points which are separating Amaya, Vibendu and Sumukh, 67.5 and 60. So Vibendu and Amaya are leading, followed by Sumukh, and then Viraj, and then Subrata, Abhishek, followed by Dhananjay, and Kunal and Anand bring up the final position. So that's the end of round 2, and we are 5:20, so we are 10 minutes short of the hour. We will try and see if we can complete the entire quiz by around 6. So we move on to the third set, which is clockwise, and this will start with Dhananjay, your team. Team 1, this is going to be your direct. You ready?
Yeah.
So this is a series whose title music you will hear. It was produced by a pioneering lady who broke a lot of social taboos and also started the first advertising agency to be headed by a woman. She collaborated with another pioneer who married twice, and both times his wife's name was Kamla. So you have to name the two people and also the series whose title track or title music you will hear now. I hope the audio was audible.
Whose turn is it?
This is for team 1, Dhananjay.
We have no blue. Pass.
3 things: the 2 persons and the series. Subrata and Abhishek.
Is it Rajini?
And the person is, I guess, Tara Sinha. Who she found. For this series, who married twice. So you mean the Rajini related, because Tara Sinha's ad agency was run by her only. So you want Rajini related somebody, huh?
We need the 2 people. One of them produced the serial. She collaborated with a pioneer who married twice. Both his wives had the first name Kamala. And you heard the music.
I think Basu Chatterjee was there in Rajani, right? Basu Chatterjee was the, I think, director of Rajani. And yeah, that is all I know.
Okay. We'll pass you. Vibendu and Amaya.
Yeah, Vibendu will go for that. Yeah. So we'll say R.K. Lakshman is the person, the series is Wagle Ki Duniya, and we'll say the pioneering lady is Durga Khote.
And that is full 15 to you. This is Durga Khote, and then R.K. Lakshman, and then, of course, Wagle Ki Duniya is the series. that was full 15 to Vibhendu and Amaya, and Viraj and Vipul, your direct comes up. In many ways, he was the first muffler man. So, inspired by the short story, you have to name the series. Just name the series.
Yeah, Vipul, just check your WhatsApp. I think I have a guess for this.
So, one question in which we have covered Manohar Shyam Joshi. So, Manohar Shyam Joshi could be covered in a lot of other ways. A lot of thoughts came to mind, but this is one way in which we just tick the box for Manohar Shyam Joshi in this quiz.
Okay, so our guess is series is probably Office and the character is Musaddi Lal.
Okay. First muffler man, Musaddi Lal of Office. Sumok?
No, my guess was Pakka Ji Kahin, but I think that was directed by Basu Chatterjee, so don't know.
Okay.
Maybe Kakka Ji Kahin if I'm wrong. Yeah.
Okay, Anand and Kunal?
Yeah, we're going to say Mungeri Lal ke Haseen Sapne.
And that gives you 15 points. Mungeri Lal ke Haseen Sapne is the right answer. So we go back to team 1, Dhananjay. This is your direct. In the early 90s, Saraswati Audio Visuals produced Dekh Bhai Dekh. Their last TV production was a series on business magnate and owner of the fictional Shanti Constructions. Which TV series is the last one? The last TV production, what was it called?
We guess this is Swabhiman.
Your guess is Swabhiman?
Yeah.
Well, Swabhiman came before Dekh Bhai Dekh. Anyway, Abhishek and Subrata. Abhishek
Hello?
and Subrata, can you hear us?
Yeah.
हम लोग का कोई गेस नहीं है तो शांति ही बोल देते हैं शांति.
Okay, Shanti. We move to Vibhendu and Amaya.
Youth.
Can you repeat?
Youth.
Yudh is correct. Yudh is correct. And do you know who starred in Yudh?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, so that is correct. So this is Yudh. Amitabh Bachchan's only fictional TV show, Yudh. And his Yudh is not was his name. Yudhishthir Sikarwar is the name of the character that Amitabh Bachchan played. So
Shanti Constructions is the firm owned by
Trishul.
Trishul.
That's right. That is correct. That is absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So Viraj, your direct goes now.
Sure.
This person's name is L. Sriram Narayanan. Not many would know him probably outside a certain region. But it is his predecessor who is credited to be the ideator and presenter of one of the India's longest running program of its kind, which started in 2002 and is still going strong. Which show is this, which now L. Sriram Narayanan hosts or is the presenter? So L. Sriram Narayanan has just taken over from somebody else who was hosting it since 2002. It is one of India's longest running program of its kind on Indian television. You just have to name the show. and the person who L. Sriram Narayanan succeeded.
Vipul, do you have a guess?
So even though this is in a regional channel, but even people who do not speak that language or understand that language also follow it religiously.
So I'll take a guess. Okay, Vipul has a guess. BSNL Sports Quiz.
And whom did he succeed?
So whom did he succeed? Maybe just give us a second. Okay, he's saying Sumant Raman.
And that is full 15 points to you, Viraj. Sumant C. Raman, now seen in TV debates. And BSNL Sports Quiz is the answer. It's Didi Podigai's Sports Quiz, BSNL Sports Quiz. Quite a few of you would have participated. What you get is BSNL mobile vouchers if you win. So that's the answer. So 22 done. 23rd, the question goes to Sumukh and team. So much like Lal Krishna Advani, Ramanand Sagar also decided to take out a Rath Yatra when Doordarshan initially did not give him the permission for transmission of a series. Doordarshan later relented and the series was telecast. You have to just name the popular series for which Ramanand Sagar took out a Rath Yatra.
So I'll probably guess the other less popular of the two productions by Ramanand Sagar. So Vikram and Betal.
Vikram and Betal, passing to Anand and Kunal.
We're going to say Ramayan.
Ramayan is already there, but you said Ramayan. Okay.
Yeah, I mean Ramayan was there. That's why.
Okay, passing to Dhananjay.
Okay, pass.
Abhishek and Subrato.
Okay, so we are guessing that the other serial that he made was Krishna. So he made this for Krishna.
And Krishna gets you 15 points. This is Krishna. So this was Krishna, whose video shows Ramanand Sagar took out on his Rath. And that is 15 for Abhishek and Subrato. Vibhendu and Namaya, this is your direct which is coming up. So the musical score most commonly associated was composed by the following. In India, Savan Datta, who runs this Metronome blog, flavorized it. Which popular music score are we talking about?
So this is Mastermind theme.
Mastermind theme. Okay. Viraj?
Vipul, do you have a guess or should I take it? So since we are talking about popular EDM meets tribal duck meets dubstep, classical flute meets screaming traditional tari. This is Chitrahar.
Okay, Sumukh?
Yeah, so Savan Datta collaborates with Siddharth Basu. So if not Mastermind, I think it would be KBC probably.
And that is 15 points to you, Sumukh. Chimping on what Vibhendu missed. This is Kaun Banega Crorepati or Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. So this is opera piece or whatever. This was the original one, and this is what Sawan Datta has done. So that is Sawan Datta at the extreme right corner. So that is 15 points to Sumuk, and Team Anand, 25th question going to you. Ashok Kumar appeared with these sunglasses, though he said that this was due to the lights. What was the other important reason why Ashok Kumar wore these sunglasses? In Hum Log. This is for Anand and Kunal.
Yeah. Okay, we are saying just to help him read from the teleprompter.
And that is correct. So this was to actually read from the teleprompter that he wore the glasses. So he would wear sunglasses before shooting so that people did not know that he was actually reading on the teleprompter. 26th question, going back to Dhananjay. Dhananjay, there are 3 audio pieces. You can identify the series, but that is not the question. You have to give a connection between all these 3 audio pieces. So listen to each one of them carefully. The first one is this one. You can guess the series, but no points for guessing the series.
Good evening and welcome to the world this week. We hope in this program.
So that was the first one. This is the second one. I think that is enough. And here is the third one.
झांसी की रानी आई है भाल तिलक पर हाथ खड़क दुर्गा है काली माई है अश्व चढ़ी प्रचंड विकट ये मनु है लक्ष्मी बाई है शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर तेरी शामत आई है.
So these were the 3 pieces. The World This Week, the middle one, and then there is Rani Lakshmi Bai. You have to connect these 3 pieces that you heard.
We'll guess all composed by Louis Banks.
Okay. Abhishek and Subrato?
We pass.
Vibendu, Amaya?
So we'll say the connected Loy Mendonca. He composed the world this week, and I think the last one is Shankar Ehsan Loy together. So the common connect is Loy.
Common connect is Loy.
Between one is Fauji also. Fauji was the in between.
So your final answer is Loy Mendonca.
We are saying Shankar Ehsan Loy. We are saying Shankar Ehsan Loy is the connect.
Shankar Ehsan Loy is the connect, and if you can expand on it.
Yeah, so each one of them has composed the music separately. The first one is by the second by Nurani, and third by Shankar.
And that is a brilliant answer by Amaya. These are three separate pieces by three separate people. So first one is Loy, the second one is Ehsan Nurani for Shanti, and the third one is Rani Lakshmibai, where it is Shankar who has Shankar Mahadevan who has sung the title song. So that's an absolutely brilliant answer. Shankar Ehsan Loy together is the correct answer. And here is the final question from this set, from this round. Another one, easy one. You have to just identify the series and the music director, who came from a family of music and dance. Centenarian mother passed away recently. This is direct to Viraj. So Viraj, what's your answer?
No. Just a second. Okay, I would like to take a guess since it's a music director. So, who came from a family of music and dance. So probably I would like to say the music director is actually Jatin Pandit, and series is, we have no idea about the series.
Okay, Sumok?
Yeah, so the series is Byomkesh Bakshi.
And the music director?
Music director, I have no idea.
Anand and Kunal?
Yeah, we're going to say the series is Byomkesh Bakshi and the music director is Anand Shankar.
And that is correct. This is Anand Shankar, who is Uday Shankar's son and Ravi Shankar's nephew. His mother Amala Shankar passed away recently. So this is Byomkesh Bakshi.
Didn't Amala Shankar die like not recently?
Amala Shankar नहीं है, Amala Shankar है.
Amala Shankar.
Amala Shankar.
Okay, Amala Shankar.
Okay,
but
so
didn't she die like recently?
He died recently, and Viraj, it was not what you guessed. You guessed your. So Souvik, did he guess Byomkesh Bakshi or did he guess something else?
So team 5, Sumuk is Byomkesh Bakshi.
Okay, and Viraj, he did not guess the series, right?
No, he didn't guess.
No, so yeah, we did not come in. Yeah, and she died a month back. I thought she died earlier.
Okay, so that completes for 27 questions and round 3. So we have Dhananjay is on 30. Then there is Subrata and Abhishek are on 57.5. I think.
They are on 60.
Who are on 60?
Team 2.
कैसे 15 आज हुआ ना 42.5 था और 59.
They got 2.5 for getting Anu Kapoor right.
No,
And
they got that 2.5. They are on 57.5 only. They are on 57.5.
They were at 42.5, so 2.5 means 45 and another 15, that was question 23. So they are on 60.
No, I think we added the 2.5 and then they went to 42.5 and then they got a 15. So they are on 57.5 as per my score.
Okay, yeah, sorry.
And
हाँ देखो अपना स्कोर घटाने के लिए कितना फाइट करना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
And I think Vivendra and Ame are on 112.5, Viraj 67.5, Sumukh on 90, and Anand and Kunal late surge going up to 60. So, Souvik, your final set.
Okay.
So we are at 5:45. We should be done by 6, I hope. So Souvik, take
Yeah,
it
just
away.
one. We didn't get points for Vyomkesh Bakshi. I think 6 right is 90 plus for Vyomkesh Bakshi.
They are at 82.5. They got 115 for question 24.
Oh, okay.
Bakshi 7.5 for question 25.
Fine. Yeah, correct.
So I think they are at 82.5.
Who is
No, I think the score is 90 because I think we had 75 earlier and then we got 2 more this round set.
So is
Okay,
that Sumukh?
which one?
Is that Sumukh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sumukh, you are on 90.
Okay.
So 30, 57.5, 112.5, 67.5, 90, and 60.
Okay.
So that's how we start anti-clockwise, starting from Kunal and Anand.
Okay, the final set of 9 questions, direct for team 6. This one, question 28. So the creator had to struggle. No TV channel was ready to pick up this Indian content. So then he had, it showed of his earlier productions, and then finally Channel Y agreed. So someone made his first appearance on TV in 2008. So spin-offs of X have also been seen on Netflix and Disney. Doordarshan had bought for some of the rights for lockdown period. So X and Y. Animation,
Yeah, one sec.
direct for team 6. Anand.
Yeah.
So the show and the channel.
We're going to say Chhota Bheem and Pogo.
And plus 15. For getting Chhota Bheem and Pogo. 15 points to team 6. They move to 75. Team 5, Sumukh and Yogita. Next one is for you. So this actor was congratulated by a country's prime minister. Then the character even featured on the front page of a famous newspaper.
What do we have to answer here? Like
the character and the 3-word catchphrase of his nemesis.
Okay. So yeah. So from Darkness May Prevail is basically Andhera Kayam Rahe of Thamraz Kilvich, who was Shaktiman's nemesis. So that will be Mukesh Khanna.
Okay. So you have another 15 points to team 5 for getting Shaktiman and Andhera Kayam Rahe correct. Team 4, Viraj and Vipul. So Harsha Bhogle was more popular for the TSN Sports Quiz Olympiad, but this was also a cricket quiz that he had hosted, not many episodes, but of quite a few. So one season featured the ex-Indian cricketers versus ex-Aussies. Then there were Indian bowlers versus Indian batsmen. Then India versus Pakistan. What was the name of this quiz?
Was this Champions of the World?
No, this is not Champions of the World. Good guess, but not right. That was a different one. Team 3.
Any clue, Danju, or can I take a guess? No. So we're taking a guess. It's 22 yards. Something.
Good guess, but passing you.
Is it for us?
Team 2.
Stumped.
Stump gives you 50 points. Stump gives you 15 points. Team 2. Dhananjay, and your question. Connect. It says Thomas Cook and Singapore, Swachh Bharat. Then it's the Hong Kong Disneyland. This is specifically Hong Kong Disneyland that moved into the Connect. And then 2 films. There will maybe many such films, but I have just picked up 2. So Connect. So connect all of this to a TV show. Yeah, 5 elements.
Dhananjay and
No.
Okay, team passes. Team 6. Yeah, team 6. Anand and Kunal.
Yeah, just 1 second, please. Yeah, I think we're going to pass.
Sumukh and Yokta.
Okay, so our guess is basically Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma, because we remember seeing some episodes which they shot at Disneyland and maybe also somewhere in Singapore. Don't know how they might be connected. So to Swachh Bharat or something, maybe even Swachh Bharat Abhiyan TV ad, they could have got the star cast of Tarak Mehta to promote the campaign. That will be our guess.
And full 15 points for Tarak Mehta, right?
Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma cast is actually the brand ambassadors of Swachh Bharat. They have been nominated by Modi ji.
Among the original line by Narendra Modi. So let's see the answer. Many show, and as you pointed out, did this marketing exercise for Singapore tourism. Okay, so 15 points to you. So
what was the Barfi Connect?
Ranbir Kapoor had appeared in
Promotion.
Picture. As I said, many film stars have come there for promotion. Team 4, Viraj and Vipul.
So with that particular answer, Sumukh's team has just crossed Vibhendu and Amaya's team. So they are right now at 120. Vibhendu's team is at 112.5. So the next one goes to Viraj. Viraj, it's up to you now. How you block?
Yeah. So now you have this pretty common thing of all group channels having their own award shows for their programs, and so when this Star Parivar Awards was first to host this, and so what first was promoted when they said? So what first happened? So they said something was happening for the first time with respect to awards.
Oh, with respect to awards.
With respect to awards.
Okay.
Think of how generally film awards take place, or how how the TV awards take place. So for the first time, this was happening.
For the first time, this was happening in 2018?
No, in 2000 when it was first.
In 2000? Okay, in 2002.
Three.
Okay.
I've just put that.
So, where I'll take a guess.
People, don't take that one.
Yeah, okay.
Don't take that guess. Yeah. So, we'd like to guess that probably Audience Choice Awards were given.
No, not audience choice. Passing.
Okay. So then we are. This is for 3, right? This is for 3, huh? Hello. Is it for 3?
Yeah, Amaya and Vivendu, your turn.
Okay. Yeah. So we are getting this is the first time. Possibly a completely SMS-based voting system was used.
No, not quite.
Okay.
So I guess that this is the first time theme-based awards were given, like favorite Ma, favorite Baba, favorite Jodi, and all of that. Right? So instead of best actor and all of that, they chose theme-based specific to the serials.
I think we can give that. Let's see
No,
the
I
answer.
don't. Let's turn out for a better answer. Let's go for a better answer.
Everything was created around a theme. Something. This award was created.
We'll come back to you. Is all I can say, Abhishek and Shubhrato.
Okay.
Dhananjay.
Team 1. Okay, team 1 not there. Dhananjay, are you there? I think.
Did they log off?
I think there's no. I think Dhananjay is there or not? Dhananjay is there.
He is there.
Dhananjay. Okay, I think we'll pass. Team 6.
Yeah, we are going to say that this was the first time they had it at a foreign location outside India.
No, not
was themed that way.
Written, I think, by itself.
Somo?
Yeah, so you mentioned team 3 were close, so my answer is building on that would be the first time you had a Jodi award, so like Saas Bahu and then maybe Chacha Bhatija or whatever.
We would have given it to team 2 if that was the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, non-com can I answer that? So this was direct for team 4.
No.
Team 4 will give points to team 2.
Yeah, can I answer non-com? Sorry.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Let's see the answer.
You have to vote for the character name and not for the actor. So you have to.
That's what could have given you full points.
Yeah, that was what we were looking for. So team 2 came the closest. And so we give 15 points to team 2. And team 1, you get the next question.
Is team 1 there?
Dhananjay has joined.
Yeah. Dhananjay, you are. Yeah. 1 for team 1. So the team title decks would have of a famous filming collaboration. Next happened to be a song in film 1. Umari and the same name.
Whoever has a telephone, I think everybody would have it, but just be on mute once you are. It's not your turn to speak.
Yeah. I think Dhananjay has joined again. For you. So.
Okay. Is it ours?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So X is बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. Z is बालिका वधू.
Okay.
Okay, and the two star suns. No, we have no idea.
Okay. We move to team 6.
Yeah, so just waiting for my teammate to. Yeah, I think we are going to pass. Wait, sorry.
Okay, team 6. Yeah.
Can I still answer?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So one of the stars, yes, thing is Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay. And any idea of the other parts? Okay, we pass you. Team 5.
We'll continue with Dhananjay's guesses of बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं बालिका वधू.
Okay.
Whose question is this?
Now to team 5.
Now your question.
Okay, so it is बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं from the movie Balika Badhu, and then बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं from the movie, which was also the song in Balika Badhu, and then Balika show was telecasted on Colors. So I would say Z is Colors. Now 2 stars, and I'm not sure if I'm not getting the question whether Y and 1926 movie is the same, but I would say Amit Kumar is one famous star son. I have no idea about the other one because he sang that song.
Okay, and the other one? You.
Other one, Kajal Kiran was the actress. I don't know. So.
Okay, we pass you.
Okay, so I'd like to take a guess. This is our guess, right? Team 4.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, so बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं is the song, which is X also the show. The Y is Balika Badhu. In film 1976, the singer is Amit Kumar, as Sumuk has said, and the music director is R.D. Burman. These are the 2 star sons here.
And I think full 15 points.
And who gets the part points? I think Dhananjay gets 10.
Dhananjay got the first 2 parts right, X and Z. And Sumuk got 1/2 of the star sense right.
So you give him 2.5. Okay.
Yeah, being a bit, and team 4 gets full 15.
So this is Vivendu and Amaya's direct now then.
Direct for team 3, Vivendu and Amaya.
So right now, as we see, we have 40 for Dhananjay and team. Then we have Abhishek and Subrato on 87.5. Vivendu and Amaya are on 112.5. Then there is Sviraj and Vipul at 82.5. Sumuk and Yogita are leading right now at 122.5. And Anand and Kunal are at 75. So this is for 15 points. So that direct question goes to Vivendu and Amaya. So why was this station Arasalu been in the news in recent times? Why has it been in recent times?
Yeah, it is straightforward.
So can we answer?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
So Malgudi Days was shot here. So now they have made some Malgudi theme. The entire platform in the station has been turned to commemorate Malgudi.
And beautiful answer there by Vivendu. Another full 15 points.
And yes, they go into the lead now with 127.
With this, the lead also changes.
Yeah.
2 questions to go.
2 questions to go, 127.5, 122.5. And the next two are at 87.5 and 82.5. So good battle between the top 4 teams.
Sheikh, your question coming up. Yeah, that's the Malguri Museum being set up. Okay, team 2.
So 3 parts here again. Yeah.
CNBC TV 18 has launched this show in 2006. Show was titled X, Y, and Sensex. Generally, you would associate X, Y more with GEC. The 2 Indian news channels also have similar shows, where the third word is replaced. So one news channel has replaced with a consonantal word, and the other has added another feminine relationship. So XY part is common to all the 3 shows. 2008 Bollywood movie shares the same name as the CNBC show.
So we have okay. So X and Y are Saas Bahu, right? So it is Saas Bahu and Sensex, and there are variations of like Saas Bahu or Suspense or Saas Bahu and Sazis or something like that, right? And hello.
So you're
just answers, please.
Give your specific answer.
Yeah. So one is Saas Bahu or Sensex, right? And the other is, Saas Bahu or I think Saas Bahu or Suspense, right? Okay. Which comes on India TV or something like that. And the third one, okay, Saas Bahu, third relationship in third female relationship. Third female Saas Bahu, third relationship. ननद बोलते हैं क्या? ऐसे थर्ड केस इज सास बहू और ननद.
Okay. So complete this Saas Bahu Sensex, Saas Bahu whatever I didn't get it, and then Saas
Bahu Sensex, Saas Bahu Suspense, and or is it? Okay, hold on. Is it like conspirative? Okay, Saas Bahu or Sazish. Saas Bahu or Sazish, right? And Saas Bahu or Sazish, Saas Bahu or Sensex.
Make up your mind. And
final answer. Subrato, one final answer.
Yeah,
okay, Saas Bahu or Saas Bahu and Sensex, Saas Bahu or Sazish, and Saas Bahu or Nanad.
Okay, fine. We move on. Team 1. So first. Yes. Okay.
So Anand and Kunal, your turn.
Yeah. So Saas Bahu or Sensex, Saas Bahu or Sazish, and we're going to say Saas Bahu or Betiyan.
And you take
15 points. So 10 points to team 2. So 10 points to team 2 for getting 2 parts right, and full 15 points to team 6.
Yeah, so it's now 97.5 to Subrato and Abhishek, 127.5 to Vibhendu and Amaya, 82.5 to Viraj, 122.5 to Sumukh. Anand and Kunal are on 90, and with 122.5, the last question goes to Sumukh. So Sumukh has the last question and the chance to win the quiz if he answers this correctly.
Yeah, the final question coming up. This was technically a film, but often aired on Doordarshan, and is in the form of a query and an answer has received many awards. So what are we describing?
So yeah, I mean, I can describe basically this is that Ekta, this is that telefilm which Ek Chidiya Anek Chidiya basically. So the boy and the sister are discussing that. So it was made for national integration or something. So yeah, Ek Chidiya Anek Chidiya.
And full 15 points. So let's see the answer. Yeah, it is indeed that Ek or Ek Anekta, and so 15 points there to team 5. Before we take a look at the final scores, thank you everyone for joining us on this Saturday evening.
On Ganesh Chaturthi, leaving your puja behind, or probably simultaneously doing your puja and attending this quiz. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, and let's have the final scores.
Yeah, we have Dhananjay and partner on 40, Abhishek and Subroto on 97.5, Vibhendu and Ameya on 127.5, just fell short on the last question. Viraj on 82.5, Viraj and Vipul. Sumuk and Yogita winning the quiz with 137.5, and Anand and Kunal late rally taking them to 90. So we have Sumuk and Yogita finishing first, Vibhendu and Ameya second, Subroto and Abhishek third, Anand and Kunal fourth, then Viraj and Vipul, and finally Dhananjay and partner.
Thank you guys. Hope you had fun in participating in the quiz. We had quite a fun setting it. And as always, thank you for your generosity. And thanks a lot.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you and bye.